My dear students, in the previous video, I have solved the 24th sum as the last sum in the previous video. In this sum, there is one correction in the answer step. That is, the problem is the two consecutive even positive integers are x and x plus 2. Each integer, even positive integer, is larger than 5. So, two numbers x and x plus 2 are two consecutive even positive integers, and one is each number is larger than 5. If it is the case, we will consider smaller one, x is greater than 5. Since two numbers are larger than 5, the smaller one x is larger than 5. It is automatically x plus 2 is also larger than 5. In the case of two numbers are smaller than 10, we will consider the bigger number, x plus 2 is less than 10. In the previous case, we will take previous problem, we will consider x plus 2 is less than 10 because smaller than indicates the larger number should be less than 10, then only the smaller number is automatically less than 10. So, considering smaller case, you have to consider the bigger number as less than 10. Whereas in the case of a larger term, smaller number should be greater than number 5. And in the sum given, the sum of two numbers should be less than 23. Therefore, x plus 2 is less than 23. Therefore, 2x plus 2 is less than 23. 2, you will bring it to the right hand side. 2x is less than 23 minus 2, 21. 2x is less than 21. X is less than 21 by 2. That is 10.5. So, x greater than 5 but less than 10.5. Here I am considering only 10. In the previous video, I am considering only 10. Instead of 10.5, I am considering only 10. So that I consider only 6 and 8 only. Since it is 10.5, we have to take into account the number 10 also. Therefore, the values of x are 6, 8 and 10 also. If it is 10, 10 plus 2, 12 is also the pair, 6, 8, 8, 10 and 10, 12 are the pair. In the previous video, I left this pair 10, 12. But you should include 10, 12 also because the x should be less than 10.5. Therefore, we have to consider 10 also. That is the correction you will consider in the problem. Next, problem number 25. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. See, there is a triangle given in the problem 25. There is one triangle. There is one triangle. The longest side of a triangle is 3 times the shortest side. Shortest side, this is shortest side x. Longest side, this is the longest side of the triangle. This is longest side is 3 times the shortest side. This is longest, 3 times the shortest side. And the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. These are the 3 sides of the triangle. The shortest side of a triangle is x centimeter. Longest side 3 times of the shortest, therefore 3x centimeter. And the third side is 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. Therefore 2 centimeter shorter than the longest side. Yes. And the perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter. Perimeter of the triangle is at least 61 centimeter. At least 61 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter is sum of the three sides, x plus 3x plus 3x minus 2, at least it is greater than 61 centimeter. X plus 3x plus 3x minus 2 is greater than 61, that is 6 plus 1, 7x is greater than 61 plus 2, that is 63. 7x is greater than 63, x is greater than 63 by 7, that is equal to 9, greater than 9 centimeter. So, therefore the shortest side is greater than 9 centimeters, or greater or equal to, you can say shortest side is 3 centimeter. No, sorry, shortest side is 9 centimeter, greater than 9 centimeter, or greater than or equal to, you can say the side at least means greater than or equal to, you can consider. So greater than or equal to 9 centimeter also you can consider. At least means greater than or equal to, therefore the shortest side is, answer is shortest side they are asking. The shortest side of the triangle is greater than or equal to 9 centimeter. This is your answer. That is problem 25. Next, problem number 26. Last problem in the exercise. See, 26th problem. A man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of a board of length. A board is on board whose total length is 91 centimeters. Total length is, the total length of the board is 91 centimeters. The second length is to be 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side. So you consider the shortest side. What is given? The second length is to be 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side. Let the shortest side is 6 centimeters. Shortest side you consider by x centimeter. The second length is to be 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side. 3 centimeters longer than. Second is 3 centimeters longer than the shortest side. And the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest side. This is, third is 2 times of the shortest side. This is the shortest length. X, the total length of the board is 91 centimeters. That the shortest side is 6 centimeters. And the second length is 3 times longer than the shortest length, and the third piece is 2 times of the shortest length, twice the length of the shortest length, that is given. What are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second? Third is, what is that? The 3 centimeters longer than the short, and the third length is to be twice as long as the shortest. What are the possible length of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second? Third is, the given is, what are the possible lengths of the shortest board? The third is to be, what are the possible lengths of the shortest board if the third piece is to be at least 5 centimeters longer than the second? 5 centimeters longer than the second. Greater than or equal to 5 centimeters longer than the second. Second one is 6 plus 3 is 5 centimeters longer than the second. This is the third one. Third piece is from one equation. And the other one is sum of all the pieces of the board is greater than or equal to 91, less than or equal, because length should be certainly less than or equal to 91, because 91 is the maximum length. It should not exceed 91, therefore it is less than or equal to. This is equation 2. Because total length is 91, it should be less than or equal to 91. Solving this equation from equation 1, 2x is greater than or equal to x plus 8. 5 plus 3, 8. Bring x to the left hand side. 2x minus x is greater than or equal to 8. So 2x minus x is greater than or equal to 8. It is 1. From 1 we get x is greater than or equal to 8. From equation 2, x plus 3 plus 2x is less than or equal to 91. 1 plus 2, 2 plus 4x plus 3 less than or equal to 91. 4x is less than or equal to 91 minus 3, that is less than or equal to 88. 4x is less than or equal to 88. Therefore, x should be less than or equal to 22. So, from equation 1, x is greater than or equal to 8, and from equation 2, x is less than or equal to 22. Therefore, the shortest length of the board is greater than 8 but less than 22 centimeters. That is the answer. Therefore, the shortest length of the board is greater than 8 centimeter, but less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, you can write. Greater than or equal to 8 centimeter, but less than or equal to 22 centimeter. That is the answer. Greater than 8 centimeter, but less than or equal to 22 centimeter. This is the problem 26. That's all about all the problems in the exercise 6.1. Thereby we complete this video, and we will continue the next topic in the next video. Thank you.